Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to completely level the bed on your Ender 3 or Ender 3 Pro. The first thing that you will want to do is make sure this piece right here is completely down and locked in completely. Next, we want to turn on our 3D printer with the switch right here. Now that the printer's on, you want to press in this wheel right here, go to prepare, click in again, turn it until you get to auto home, and press it. And you'll notice that your 3D printer starts to move, and it will go to the home setting. Now that the printer's in the home setting, we want to press in on the screen again, go to prepare, and hit disable steppers so that we can move it by hand. This will not be an issue if this is the first time you've used your printer, but if there's any filament stuck on the extruder that is dried up from your last print, you'll want to heat it up to the normal printing temperature and get this tool that comes with the printer and scrape it off once it gets to the normal printing temperature. Now for the tricky part. All you'll need for this is a piece of paper. You may have noticed 4 little wheels on your printer. These are what moves the bed up and down. Turn it clockwise to move this corner of the bed up. Turn it counterclockwise to move it down. What we want to do now is lower all 4 corners of our bed. You can start in the front and finish in the back. This is to make sure that the extruder doesn't scrape the bed and leave marks like these. Now, if during these steps you've moved your Z-axis up or down at all, you may want to re-auto home your printer. If you've done that, you want to get your piece of paper and put it flat on the bed. Next, run it under the extruder and raise the bed really slowly, and when you feel a tiny bit of resistance against the paper, stop, take the paper out, and move to the next corner. We're going to have to do this on all 4 of the corners. You may have to repeat this several times on each corner. Remember that if you hear a scraping noise on the bed, you need to stop and lower that corner and re-level it. Now, if you've leveled your bed but your prints are still turning out stringy, you may have to run a bed leveling test. You can find these online, but I'm going to show you one that I've made and run it. So, let's get started with the test. So with our test done, you'll notice that these stars are really stringy, and that when you pick them up off the bed, they'll just fall apart. This means that our bed is too far down from the extruder and that we need to move it up a little bit. So we need to go back here, prepare, auto home, and send it home again. Then we disable our steppers, get our piece of paper, and restart the process. So we knew that our extruder was too far from the bed because the prints were really stringy, just like this. And we'll know that it's too close to the bed if they're really thin. Now with our second test done, you can see how this is a little bit of a darker color and it's really thin. That means that the extruder is too close to the bed and we need to lower it a little bit. Right here, you can see that it's the normal color and that the layers aren't too stringy. This means that this side is perfect. This side needs to be lowered a little bit, and this side is about perfect. Once your printer is completely level, you'll be ready to start printing amazing things. I hope this video helped you to level your bed on your 3D printer. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.